Okay, hello. This time we're going to discuss about raising a product to a power. This is the other laws of exponents. To raise a product to a power, raise its factor to the power and multiply. How is that? We have here x, y. The operation between them is multiplication. That's why it is a product. It has an exponent, which is n. But take a look at this one. What is the exponent of x? It is 1. And what is the exponent of y? It is 1 also. So what are we going to do in this particular laws of exponents? It says there, you're just going to multiply. So you're just going to multiply 1 times n, and that is n, and then 1 times n, and that is also n. Okay? So let us have this one. AB raised to 2, the square of AB. The exponent of A is 1, the exponent of B is 1. The same. You're just going to multiply 1 times 2, that is 2, and 1 times 2, that is 2. To understand this law of exponents better, we're going to discuss some example. Okay? We have here, what is the simplified form of the following? We have here number 1. The cube of 7m raised to 9. What is the exponent here? It is 1, and the exponent here is 9. If you are given with this kind of expression, what are you going to do? You're just going to multiply the exponents. So you have 7, the exponent is 1 times 3. And the exponent is 9 times 3. So you're just going to multiply the exponents. Now we have 7 raised to 1 times 3 is 3. M raised to 9 times 3 is 27. So we have 7 cubed m raised to 27. Is that our final answer? 7 raised to 3 means 7 times 7 times 7. So what is 7 times 7 times 7? And that is equal to 343 m raised to 27. Can you follow? Okay, the next one we have here. We have 3x raised to 4. What is the exponent of 3? That is 1. The exponent of x, that is 1. Doing the same thing, you're just going to multiply the exponent. So you now have 3 raised to 1 times 4, and then x raised to 1 times 4. So you now have 1 times 4, that is 4. 1 times 4, that is 4. Okay? So again, 3 raised to 4 means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. You're going to multiply 3 4 times. So what is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3? It is equal to 81. Then you're just going to copy the variable x raised to 4. So that is now the final answer. Can you follow? The next one, number 3. Okay, I need to erase this one. Number 3, we have 4b raised to 3 over 2. Again, your 4 has exponent of 1 and your b has exponent of 1 also. So again, all you need to do is to multiply the exponent. But the exponent outside is a fraction. Still, you're just going to multiply it. So you now have 4. The exponent is 1 times the power 3 over 2. B, the exponent is 1 multiplied by 3 over 2. Okay, in multiplying fractions, always remember, multiply the numerator by the numerator and denominator by the denominator. Okay, the denominator of 1 is 1. Okay, so you have 4. 1 times 3, that is 3. 1 times 2, that is 2. The same as with this one. B, 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. But now, this time we have here 4 raised to 3 over 2. What is the value of 4 raised to 3 over 2? And that is equal to 8. B raised to 3 over 2. Okay, so that is the answer in number 3. Okay, let us do more examples. We have here number 1, or letter A, I should say. The exponent of 7 here is 1. Okay, letter A, we have 7 m raised to 9. Sorry for the writings. And then 3 here. The exponent of 7 here is 1. So, again, you're just going to multiply the exponent. Okay? So, we now have 7. 1 times 3, that is 3. I think we're done with this one. And then m, 9 times 3, that is 27. Again, we have 7 raised to 3. What does it mean? It means that you're going to multiply 7 3 times. What is 7 times 7? That is 49. Times 7, and that is equal to 343. M raised to 27. Okay? How about letter B? We have 2z raised to negative 4. Take a look at the exponent of the outside. It is negative. Still, the exponent is negative. We're just going to follow the same rule. We're just going to multiply the exponents. The exponent here of 2 is 1. The same as with z. It is also 1. So just multiply the exponent. So you now have 2. 1 times negative 4, that is negative 4. And then z, 1 times negative 4, that is negative 4. Try to observe. The exponent of 2, I should say, is negative. The same as with z. The exponent is also negative. So what should we do? We need to rewrite the number so that the exponent will become positive. So what is the denominator here? It is 1. Following the rules of negative exponent, you need to write 1 on top. And then, since your 2 has negative exponents and it is found on top, you need to write it down. So you now have 2, making the exponent positive. You have z, making the exponent positive. So you now have 1 over 2 raised to 4 and then z raised to 4. Is that the final answer? No, because we need to find out the value of 2 raised to 4. What does it mean when we say 2 raised to 4? We're going to multiply 2 4 times. So you now have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So what is 2 times 2? That is 4. Times 2, that is 8. Times 2, that is 16. So the final answer there is 1 over 16 z raised to 4. Is that clear? Okay, can we do the last one? We have 3g raised to 4, and it is being raised to another exponent, which is negative 2. Okay, again, we cannot see any exponent of 3, and that is understood to be 1. Again, following the rule, you're just going to multiply the exponent. 1 times negative 2, that is negative 2. And then you have here g. 4 times negative 2, that is negative 8. Okay, try to observe. Letter C is just similar to letter B. So we're just going to follow the same step in letter B. Okay, 3 raised to negative 2, and then g raised to negative 8. Since the exponents are negative, we're going to follow the rules in writing negative exponents to positive. The denominator of the expression is 1. So this 1 should be written on top, that is 1. And then your 3 has an exponent which is negative. You need to write it down, making the exponent positive. The same is true with g, which is negative 8, making it positive 8. So you now have 1 over 3 raised to 2, meaning 3 times 3, and that is equal to 9. G raised to 8. This is now the final answer. 1 over 9 g raised to 8. Any more question? Okay?